The purpose of this tutorial is to show you how to find a print book using the Carmen Library's online catalog, Search at UW. There are two ways to get to Search at UW. One is the Search at UW box at the top of the Carmen Library page. The other is the Search at UW link under Quick Links. Both options work exactly the same. For the basic search, you can enter any kind of keyword that will help you find the book, including title, author, or subject. Let's say that you know exactly which book you are looking for. To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. Let's type To Kill a Mockingbird into the Search at UW box. And then click Search. There are quite a few results here, over 29,000. Let's take a look at the first record, which has the heading Multiple Versions. To view all versions, either click on the title or click on See All Versions. As we scroll through our list of results, you will notice that they include both books and videos. Since the purpose of this tutorial is to find books, we want to remove non-book results from our list. We can do this using the menu on the left-hand side. Underneath Resource Type, click Books. We're now down to 16 results. Each result gives you some relevant bibliographic information about that particular item. Scrolling down to the first version of the book listed as Available, we can see the title, author, and date of publication. We can also see the availability of the item. Green text that says Available At indicates that the item is on the shelf and available for checkout. When an item is available, the record also gives you information about how to find it. Our copy of To Kill a Mockingbird is located in the Elton S. Carmen Library stacks on the 3rd floor. In order to get the book, simply walk up to the 3rd floor of the library, and you can find the book using its call number. You will find the call number printed on the spine of the book. When you find the book on the shelf, you can check it out at the circulation desk on the Carmen Library's 2nd floor. If the book you are looking for is not available in the library, it is still possible to get a copy. In order to do this, you need to be signed in. Click the Guest link in the upper right-hand corner, then click Sign In. If you are a student, faculty, or otherwise affiliated with the University of Wisconsin-Platteville, you will log in using your UW-Platteville username and password. This is the same NetID and password that you use to log into other password-protected sites on campus. You will then be taken back to the most recent search results page. Notice at the top that it now has your name instead of guest. Now that we are signed in, we can request a book by clicking Use Get It to Request. When the page pops up, click UW Request. This puts in a request for the book at the other University of Wisconsin system libraries. You will be prompted to fill out information about the resource you are requesting. You are only required to fill out the sections that have a red asterisk, but if you wish, you can fill out additional information, such as the author, if there is a date after which you don't need the book, or any extra comments you have. Then click Request, and the book gets sent to the Carmen Library. It usually takes about 2 to 3 days, but sometimes it can take as long as a week. When your book arrives at the Carmen Library, you will get an email notification. You can then pick it up at the circulation desk on the Carmen Library's 2nd floor. Search at UW has other useful tools to assist you in your research needs. Clicking the quotation mark symbols automatically produces a citation for your works cited page or bibliography. Citations are produced in MLA, Chicago, or APA formats. It is recommended that you check these automatically produced citations for accuracy before including them in your work. Other useful tools include the ability to email an item record, to print it, or to get the permalink for the record, which allows you to view it without having to conduct the same search again. This has been a tutorial by the University of Wisconsin-Platteville's Carmen Library. If you have any questions, our contact information is available on our homepage, uwplatt.edu/library.